everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I want to play with some color. There is a trend in the makeup world I'm sure you are aware of, is the neon makeup look. So I just bought this palette from Huda Beauty, the orange neon makeup obsession, palette obsession, something like that. So first of all, I love the packaging. I think it's really beautiful and it seems really strong, so that's good. Okay, let me open it. And here we go. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I love it. There is a green one, a pink one, but the orange one was really the one that I wanted to try. The color is so on my alley. Beautiful, warm, colorful. I love it. So without further ado, we're gonna do a neon makeup together. Okay, so as you can see, I did my face, the foundation, concealer, bronzer, but I didn't put any blush or highlighter yet. Okay, so this is what I came up doing, so let's get started. First off, I began with this beautiful yellow right here on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put this color right above the crease. So I'm placing the color and I'm gonna do in direction of the end of the brow. So I'm not closing the eye, I'm just going straight. When the color is down, you just blend a little bit on the edges. I love the color yellow. I think it's so... it means joy for me. Just beautiful, warm color. Okay, then with a bigger, fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this pale orange for a transition color right here. I stay up. Then with a more precise brush, just like that, I'm gonna take this color. It's kind of a coral, neon coral, really pretty. And I'm gonna place this color on the crease. See, just like that. Taking the same brush with the yellow on, I'm gonna blend, staying above. Okay, then I'm gonna cut the crease and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I just cut above the crease, and then I'm gonna take a flat brush and dipping into the pink right here. I'm gonna put that in the lid, but I'm gonna let a white line of concealer and then with a smaller flat brush, I'm gonna take the purple one and placing the color right here, joining the end of the form that we did earlier, and blend the two colors together. Beginning with the coral one, and the yellow. The pale orange. And to join everything together, the purple color right here on the other corner of the eye. Now with another flat brush, mine is really dirty, so yeah, don't look at that. I'm gonna use the shiny orange right here and going up and down as well. I think that's really pretty. And using this yellow here, I'm gonna follow the line and place it on the yellow eyeshadow. Just like that, for a little pop. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the shiny pink right here. And place it on the line. Okay, I'm really loving this look. I don't know what you guys think of it, but I like it. Now I'm gonna do the blush. No, first off, the highlighter. I'm gonna use the one by Becca and Sananas. That was a collaboration with a French YouTuber that I really like, and it's called Parisian Lights. Up right there. That's a beautiful pink and gold reflex. So I'm gonna put that right here. I mean, that's beautiful. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Estée Lauder Wild Sunset Shimmer Blush that you have right here. Lovely color. I'm gonna just use a little bit, see what it looks like. First time using it, and that's really pretty. That's my dog. He's barking to anyone or anything. Okay, I love it. Olaf! And to fix everything, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray. Right here, it's the little bottle, because I like to see if I like it before buying the big one, you know. So let's see. Yeah, I'm using the Huda Beauty palette. And for the lips, I'm gonna use the Clinique Quick Liner for Lips Intense in the color like the one before, Intense Blush. And I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I really want to stay in the neon vibe, and I have the lipstick from Colourpop that it's called Trixie. It's in a satin lipstick. What do you guys think? Do we do it? Do we not? I'm gonna try. It's not gonna hurt. Okay, let's see if it's too much or not. Ooh! Oh yeah. I'm all in, all neon makeup look today. Wow, it's just, wow. Too much? Not too much? What do you think? I think it's fun. And you wash up at night, so... So I hope you like it. Tell me if you're gonna do this look. Please tag me in Instagram, Twitter, all that jazz. All my information are down below. So yeah, if you like this video, please put a like on it. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.